Welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to merge layers and clips in CapCut, how to merge clips in CapCut PC. I hope that will not convince or confuse you. It's just a simple process. For instance, we have these individual clips now on the timeline. You can see they are all individual. I can't move them about the same way. Let me add this also, so you can see if I move this, it moves only this particular clip. But to ensure we can work with the three together, if we want them together, we can just put them side by side like that, and we can do Ctrl A. So now that we have Ctrl A, we just right click on one of the clip and we group it. Okay, just do Ctrl G. It's as simple as that. So now that we have these three, or if you do Ctrl A then Ctrl G, automatically these three are grouped together. Note this is not what we call I've forgotten what they call it now. We are not creating compound clip here, we are grouping here. So now we have grouped these together so they can actually now move together, as you can see. So that is how to merge clips together in CapCut PC. It's not complicated at all. And now we can just move this around and just put it up or down. Okay, so that's how it works, and I hope it was easy and you understand it better now. I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe.